thank you for joining my channel. Listen, it's gardening time again. And I just purchased a brand new 3-point hitch bedder to hook onto my John Deere 40. I need that bedder to actually make those rows in my garden. So I decided to make a video because you can buy a bedder and actually adjust it any kind of way you want to suit your taste. So much for talking. Let's go hook it up. So as you know, some tractors have a 1-point hitch, but I have a 3-point hitch on my John Deere 40. So that's 1, 2, the 2 bottom, and the 1 here on top. So this is exactly right for mine. So as you can see, 1 on top, and hook the sides up to it as well. Okay. All right, let's get this cultivator. And they're not too heavy. It's heavy enough, and just slide your pins into your holes in it. Let me go ahead and put this up. There we go. This is a lot easier to hook up than hooking up a plow. Slide your top pin right on through, and there you go. Let's see here. Make sure your pins are locked in place, so you won't lose them. Okay. Have a grease fitting here, and I'm going to grease this grease fit until I actually see grease coming out. There she goes. There she goes. So you definitely want to do that. And keep in mind, once you finish with her, she's going to have dirt, mud, water inside of her. So if she has grease to protect her, that would definitely help. Hey, these babies are expensive, so you want to make sure you take care of them. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna get on my tractor and fire my girl up. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is obvious that the blades are too far apart, so we're going to draw the blades in. There. Okay. keep in mind, you can always loosen it up here and control the height of the rows that you actually want. So we're gonna go with this for now. We may end up lowering down our disc to make the rows a little higher. Let's see how that looks. That looks better to me. Oh, keep on. You're doing fine. Yeah, she don't need me. I think I'm pretty satisfied with the roads just the way they are. Well, listen, I am very pleased with the garden. It turned out great. My wife did a great job. But listen, we got lucky on the bedder. It's perfect. I'm not going to change a thing on it. So I'm pretty satisfied. But keep in mind, if you want to make your adjustments, the only thing you have to do is just loosen the bolts here, and you can raise it up and down or turn it in and out, however you want it. So it's just simple as that. But I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.